What is that? A vulture? Oh heck no. He's a big guy. Whoa. You see his beak? Oh heck no, I'm gonna be walking right there. You gonna be watching us? Oh wow. I have never seen that. I mean, he's right outside of our house, so I'm scared if I go walking, will he grab onto Chloe or something? I don't know. That is amazing though. I have never seen it like that. Let me show you how he looks. He's on top of the roof. Right at the edge. See that? Maybe he's just sunbathing. That has to be a vulture because look at his head. I mean, he's got the beak. He turned his head around, he sure did. Look at that. Alright, buddy. What are you doing now? What are you thinking about doing? Oh, now you're turning around. See your face. Oh, he's probably gonna fly away right now.